Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we solved exercise number 4.2, right? Yes. We solved the exercise number 4.2 in the last class only. Now, today we'll go with that is a graph for the linear equation in a two variables. How to put a graph for the linear equation in a two variables? Okay, I'll show one as an example. You'll come to know that how to do that one. Okay. Okay, see here, we can take a many points also, otherwise only with the two reference points also we can put a graph here. Okay. graph of a Graph of a linear equation in a two variables. Okay, graph of a linear equation in a two variables. Graph of a linear equation in a two variables. Okay, so here, see, I'll give one example, that is x plus 2 1 is equal to 2. Okay, this is our one linear equation in a two variable. We have to draw this x plus 2y is equal to 2 in on the graph. You have to plot these points, and after that you have to mark this x plus 2y is equal to 2 equation, that line on the graph. Okay, for that first we need to find the coordinate points. Coordinate is nothing but what I told you. In any graph, if you take a x comma y, that is equal to 1 comma 2. I am giving any example, not for this one. Okay, this is a different thing. Okay, so these are called as 1 comma 2 is called as its a coordinate. Okay, these are the points, these are called as the coordinates. Okay, that is coordinate. Okay, so for that reason we have to find the first coordinates. If you know the ones know the coordinates, you can plot that graph, right? So first find the coordinate value for this given equation, that is x and y. Okay, you have to make a like this box. Okay, so see here, if x is 0, okay, only take two coordinates, it's enough. If you take a x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 once. X is equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to 0. What is the value of y here? See here. If x is 0, what is the value of y? Only observe this column. This value is related to this value. Okay. If x is equal to 0, substitute in this equation. We will get a 2y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by 2, that is a 1. Right? So write here 1. If x is equal to 0, distribute the 0 plus 2y. So y is equal to 2 by 2. That is answer is 1. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1 we are getting. If y is equal to 0, substitute here y is equal to 0. That is x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 2. X 0 means it is nothing but a 0 only. So x is equal to what we are getting? 2. Right? If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. So what are the coordinates here? Always you have to write all the coordinates in the form of a x comma y only. That is nothing but we are getting here 0 comma 1 and 2 comma 0. We are getting only two coordinates here. Now take a graph. In graph only you have to draw. Take a graph sheet. Okay, take a graph sheet and you have to plot a graph in the graph sheet only. Don't draw in a notebook. Take a one graph. See here, like this. Using scale, you will get a straight line only. Okay, this point is called as the 0, 0. That is the 0, 0 coordinate. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, and here we take 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2, -3. I told which coordinate it is like that. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here positive. This is called as the x-axis. This is called as the y-axis. This is x dash, y dash. Why we call a y dash? Because it is having a negative sign. That's why it is a y dash axis. Y axis is always having a positive sign. X axis is also having always positive sign. X dash is always having a negative sign. This is the x axis. You have to write this is a y and here y dash. Okay. In x axis, what is the coordinates here? 0, 1. See, observe 0, 1. This is a 0. First value is 0. Next 1 is on a y coordinate. This is a y, right? This is belonging to y. Y means you have to plot that point on the y axis only, right? So here 1 is a y value. That's why we have to put that point on the y axis. So what is the value on the y axis here? That is here. Okay. So here we can write that is a 0, 1. Or I'll mark like this. You can mark this round or else you can mark into mark also. It's your wish. Okay. Next one point is a 2, 0. Where is 2? 2 is on the x axis and y is 0 here. Okay. So this point, that is nothing but here 2, 0. Now using a scale, join these two lines. These 2 points, sorry. Join these 2 points here. See. Okay. So this one line is a which line? X plus 2y. On line, how to write this here? X plus 2y is equal to 2. This indicates the equation. This line indicates the equation x plus 2y is equal to 2. This line is nothing but a which line it is? Equation of this line. That is the x plus 2y is equal to 2. This line is representing this equation. This line is representing this equation. This is the way to plot a graph of the linear equation in a two variable. Linear equation in a two variable. First our duty is to find the coordinate points. Okay. So in first case you have to apply x as a 0 and find the y. After in second y is equal to 0, find x value. First x equal to 0 substitute and find y. Next y is equal to 0, then find x. You will get a two coordinate points. Using these two coordinate points, mark that coordinate points in a graph and join those 2 points. You will get a one line, straight line. That straight line is nothing but it representing what? It representing the given equation. That is the x plus 2y is equal to 2. Clear? Right? Okay. So next one is a go for the directly exercise. Example. All the examples solve it yourself. Okay, you will come to know that one. I directly solve this exercise number 4.3. We'll start with the exercise number 4.3. Okay, start with the exercise number 4.3. In 4.3, first one, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. Okay, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. You have to draw the graph for each equation. First one is x plus y is equal to 4. First name x plus y is equal to same. Find the coordinate points. Okay. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. I written directly. Okay. If you have confusion, then do it yourself. So it is a 0, comma 0. Now 1, 2, 3, this is 4. And here 1, 2, 3, this is 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 2. This is called as the y dash, y, here x, x dash. Okay. So now plot the point. That is a 0, 4. Where is 0, 4 here? 0 here and 4 is here. This is called as the here 0, comma 4. You have to write the coordinate also 0, comma 4 or else write it into mark. It's your wish. Next one is a 4, comma 0. It is a 4, comma 0. Right? 4, comma 0. Okay. Now join these 2 points here. Join these 2. Okay. Join these 2. What you will get here? 0, comma 4 and here 4, comma 0 we are getting. Right? 0, comma 4 and here 4, comma 0. Means what it represents? It is representing the equation x plus y is equal to 4. Right here. This representing the x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation is nothing but a x plus y is equal to 4. Okay. This is the way to plot a graph for the given linear equation in a 2 variable. Okay. Go for the second problem. X minus y is equal to 2. Second one. Sorry. Given equation is x minus y is equal to 2 here. So write the values. Here x and y. X okay, this is 0, comma 0. First find the value of the x and y. If x is 0, if x is 0, y is what? Minus 2. And y is equal to 0. X is what? That is 2. Okay. If x equal to 0, then y is minus 2. If y is 0, then x is equal to 2. Okay. We got the coordinate points. Now plot the graph. This is a y and here y dash, x, x dash. First write the points. 1, 2, 3, this is 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay. First point is 0, comma minus 2. See, this is a 0 and this one is a minus 2. Okay. So plot this point diagram here 0, comma minus 2. Next one is a 2, comma 0. Here 2 is there, 2, comma 0 is this one. So write here 2, comma 0. Side here. Okay. Now join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. This equation is representing, sorry, this line is representing the equation x minus y is equal to 2. Like this you have to write. Okay. So this line is representing the x minus y is equal to 2. Okay. So another 2 is there. Do it yourself. That is y is equal to 3x. I'll just find the points. After that, graph do it yourself. If x is 0, y is also 0. If x is 1, y is 3. Okay. So you have a 2 points. Otherwise, take another one also. You can take. If you want to take, you can take. That is here 2, then it will become a 6. Plot these points on the graph and join the all the points, you will get a one line. That line is representing the y is equal to 3x. Okay, this is the third problem. Next, fourth one is, what is that equation? Fourth one is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Right? 3 is equal to 2x plus y is given here. Again here also, how to do this one? X and y value. If you put a x is equal to 0, take this one this side. Okay, 2x plus y is equal to 3 is there, right? Yes. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to what? That is a 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means it is nothing but a 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but a 2 ones are 1.5. Okay, 1.5. In graph, you come to know that which is the 1.5. In between 1 and 2, there will be a middle one line is there. That is nothing but a 1.5 value. You can see in the graph that will clearly. Okay, so x is equal to 0 and y equal to 3. X is equal to 1.5 and y equal to 0. So these are the two coordinate points. Now plot the graph and mention this, locate these two coordinates on the graph, join that two coordinates, you will get one straight line that representing the equation 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the way to plot a graph on the, this is the way to plot a graph in a linear equation, for a linear equation in a two variables. First our duty is to find the coordinates, after that we can put a easily graph. Okay, so first main completed. Now we will go for the second main. 4.3 second main. What is the second main question here? If the point 3 comma 4 lies, second main, right? Yeah, second question. Give a equation of a two lines passing through the point 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Give a equations of a two lines passing through the point 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? See here, points are 14. 2 comma 14 is there. Means x value is 2 and y value is 14. Right? We can take any values. See here, if y is equal to y is equal to 7 into x. Okay, y is equal to 7 into x. This is also one equation. See here, observe, y is 14 and 7 into 2, you will get a 14 only, right? So if x value is 2, then you will get the answer is y value is 14. And another equation is, how to write the another equation? If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to, means for x and y you have to write one equation. They asked you two equations you have to write here. This is a one of them and another one equation you have to write here. X plus y is equal to, if x is 2, 16. Okay. If x is 2, take here y this side. If x is 2 means y is 14, here 16. Sorry, y this is. Y is equal to 16 minus 2. Then we will get a 14. So this is also one of the equation. Okay. So we can make a any number of equation for this 2 comma 14 coordinates. Okay, so we can make a, for any one coordinates we can make a so many linear equations which are passes through that point, like that. Okay, So you can make a like this only. You can alter the variables. You can take a coefficient of this 1x, 2x, and here 4x, 5, 4y, 6y like that. Okay. Totally our answer, our intention is get to whenever x is 2, y we have to 14. Like that we have to make a any equation, any number. There will be an infinite number of equations are there. So in that these are two among them. Okay. So next one is go for the third question. If the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of the equation the given, then find the value of a. Okay, they given points here. Third one. Third one. Points are which point? That is a 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 lies on which point? Lies on 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay. Here 3 comma 4. These are lies on the this equation. Now your duty is to find out what is the value of a here they are asking. Okay. So here they given x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Substitute these two values in this equation. That is a 3 4 is equal to a into x is 3 plus 7. 12 it is, and here 3a plus 7. Take 7 this side. 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. That is equal to 5. What is the value of a here? 5 by 3. What is the value of a here? A is equal to 5 by 3. This is the way to find the a value. Okay. So next fourth one is the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. So taking the distance covered as a x kilometer and total fare as a rupees y, and write the linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay. So right here. So they given in a sentence formation, you have to make that one as a equation. Okay. So there will be a one fare is there, taxi fare in a city as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8 rupees, and the subsequent distance is rupees 5 rupees. Taking the distance covered as a x. Fourth one, distance covered. Distance covered is taken as the x value. Okay. Next, total fare as a it is y. Total fare is equal to y here. Okay. Now you have to form an equation. That is for first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. Okay. For first kilometer means it is x. Okay. Is equal to 1 second. 4.3, right? For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Then, taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total distance, find the linear equation in the form. That is 5x is the distance covered. Yes. Next. And the fare is minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, leave. So solve this exercise number 4.2 up for sorry 4.3 up to third main. We'll see this fourth main in the next class. Okay, till that be safe in your home. Okay, thank you everyone.